Alright, so this is our 67 Chrysler Newport, and we're currently working on it, and we got it, well, it's basically, it keeps backfiring out the carburetor, and we have it timed perfectly. All the spark plug wires are in the right spot. We have new spark plugs, new manifold. We rebuilt the distributor. What else? Rebuilt the. Actually, no, I'm pretty sure that's it. But I'll show you. It keeps backfiring out the carburetor, and we can't figure out why. So if you know, please tell me. So let me set up the camera. Put some fuel in the carburetor. Okay. And then I'll try to start it up. If you know what's going on, please tell me. Alright, so I need to charge up the battery. So I'm gonna have to charge up the battery. So, and I'll put out another video of it actually doing it, and so you can actually see what it is. But basically, it just backfires right out the carburetor. Big flame, but it won't. We were for sure that it was gonna start, but it won't. But if you know, please, please, please tell me in the comments below what's wrong with it. All right, see ya.